Recently, the Umiyadham Hindu Temple held a press conference to announce that it is sending oxygen concentrators to many parts of the state of Gujarat and to others who have been disproportionately impacted by this crisis in India. Many spoke to ITV Gold, giving details about these initiatives and their hopes for India. Here is the story.
I'm Dr. Kirit Patel, OBGYN, practicing in Edison, New Jersey. I'm a vice chairman of the Umia Mataji Temple in Edison, and I'm the chairman of Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at local hospital, JFK Medical Center. With the current second waves in India, COVID has hit very hard. What it does that, it cuts off the oxygen transfer from lungs to the body, needs high concentrated oxygen to support the life. Umia Mataji Temple and Vishwa Umia Foundation has gathered up the resources to provide the concentrator and has started shipping consignments to the India and try to help our brothers and sisters back home in India. Which is a very humanitarian help to the country brother and sister. We are very proud that we could make this possible and do our part as a community members of Indian community at large. Thank you very much. Dr. Kirit Patel, as Atul Bhai introduced me, I'm a practicing gynecologist and obstetrician in Edison. I'm a vice chairman of the Umiyadham Edison Temple, and I'm a chairman at JFK Medical Center in Edison. As Atul Bhai said, there are multiple reasons and activities that is done out of temple. Manu Bhai explained very nicely what we do medically to provide help here locally and to the motherland. The Umiyadham Edison provides the platform for the young generation for their spiritual and cultural growth. And we have a talented professional amongst our members representing all walks of life. And for the young generation, we provide the shadowing and mentoring for different specialties that young generation is looking for, whether it is good for them or not. We provide the mentoring for it. If somebody needs a guidance, we have a professional can help them to expose them to a different specialties. So it is the platform which is needed for the young generation to connect and grow under Umia Mataji's blessings and umbrella. Thank you very much.
Kadwa Patel Samaj of North America, KPSNA, had partnered with many other organizations who are also distributing those oxygen concentrators in various parts of the Gujarat. So KPSNA is distributing most of those oxygen concentrators in the Saurashtra region. VYO, which is Vallabh Youth Organization, is mostly distributing in the Vadodara, Surat region also. And then the Vishwa Umia Foundation is mostly distributing around Ahmedabad and Mehsana area. We have also partnered with a foundation called Tarsadia Foundation, who has a footprints around the Surat area. So we are kind of collaborating with various organizations. So all the areas of the Gujarat will be able to get those oxygen concentrations. We had purchased it privately, and also we did not use any of the free transportations like Air India or so, because that it was very time sensitive. We were looking at the patients who were dying in dire need of oxygen. So we basically had airlifted it immediately as soon as we could get hold of those oxygen concentrators, and we sent it by a FedEx, which reached there very promptly, and we started to distribute those also. So currently in Saurashtra region, we have 19 COVID care centers and primary health care centers which are already using those oxygen concentrators. We have also provided hundreds of oxygen cylinders and their refilling facilities for patients to use. And we are also providing other needs like medical needs, medicines, groceries, food, ambulance, testing those patients at the point of contact, and also educating those physicians so that they can properly take care of the patients.
यत् करोषि यदस्नासि यज्जुहोसि ददासि यत् तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत् कुरुष्व मदर्पणम्। विश्वरूप भगवान नारायण ने गीता के माध्यम से सनातन धर्मियों को ये संदेश दिया, एक दूसरे की सहायता, जनता जनार्दन की सेवा। आज पूरा विश्व जब कोरोना महामारी के इस भयानक खप्पर में डूबा हुआ है, तब विश्व उमिया फाउंडेशन ऑफ यूएसए और उमिया धाम परिवार एडिसन दोनों ने कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर अपने भारतवर्ष में रहे हुए परिवारजनों को, मित्रों को, राष्ट्रजनों को जिस प्रकार से सुविधा प्रदान कर सके, उसी प्रकार से कमर कस के आर्थिक सहयोग और संसाधनों की उपलब्धि कराने का एक विश्व यज्ञ आरंभ किया। दोनों शाखा के सभी भक्तों ने, सदस्यों ने मिलकर सब प्रकार से धनराशि एकत्रित करके सरकार के द्वारा आयोग और उससे संलग्न संस्थानों के माध्यम से जनता जनार्दन तक पहुंचाया। साथ में धनराशि के साथ ऑक्सीजन इत्यादि की जो कमी थी उसके लिए भी संसाधन उपलब्ध कराए। आज उसी विश्व यज्ञ, सेवा यज्ञ के उपलक्ष्य में दोनों शाखाओं के सदस्य यहाँ उपस्थित रहकर समाज को ये जानकारी देने जा रहे हैं कि किस प्रकार से कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर ये यज्ञ हो रहा है। तो आइए हम सब माता महामाई को प्रार्थना करते हैं कि इस यज्ञ में जुड़े हुए सबको शक्ति प्रदान करे और जो इससे पीड़ित है उनको जल्दी से राहत मिले, समाधान मिले, ऐसी कृपा हो। सबको जय माता जी।
As our Shastri explained you that there is a dire need for my organization, which is Umyadham Edison, New Jersey, and we have a sister organization back in my hometown, Vishwamaya Foundation. And the request came in when this coronavirus was after the March. It came in a second wave, very strong. We got a phone call from our brothers and sisters back in India that this country needs the help. And the biggest things we all know, pranavayu, oxygen wasn't there. Not a second thought even, entire my organization, you can see the entire team and many more that part of this Umyadham Edison, we took a step right away. We took it very urgently. We treated it at the highest level, and we try to work to defeat this coronavirus that spreaded very deadly in India and especially Gujarat. With that, actually, all of the you can see that all my brothers over here, they're part of our board of Vishwa Umyadham as well as the Umyadham Edison, New Jersey. We will today operate. We will have everybody will update you how we have come together, how what the Umyadham Edison is a temple, and as a society, and as also as a healthcare, how we are going forward. So with that, I'm not going to take much more time, and let me introduce to our president, Arvind Bhai Patel. He will briefly describe what is the Umyadham Edison, and then actually we will go with line by line with all the members. They are sitting over here, and they will introduce about this Mahamari. As Shastri said, that how we come, how Umyadham Edison helped the local community as well as the community back in our own home country, Gujarat and India.
My name is Dinesh Patel. As I mentioned earlier, we have collected over 1,500 oxygen concentrator in all over places in many states in United States. We have already shipped 250 already reached in Ahmedabad. Those going to be delivered to the small village, to the big cities, and any other hospital who needed that one. Also, our consignment is lined up every other day. 150 units is going from various states in United States to that Ahmedabad, India. Also, we have passed and helped. The Vishwa Umya Foundation has helped to many other organizations. They're needed in their own organization, and Vishwa Umya Foundation has passed 480 oxygen concentrator to the various NGOs in India. So that is help, and we continue to keep working until their needs in India is fulfilled. Thank you. Also, our goal, rich goal is like many devotees, and they have participated and show their generosity. We collected enough fund over here to send this all support to Ahmedabad. And this is will not only use in Ahmedabad, that all oxygen concentrator will going in various part in Gujarat. So this is just not for that one city or one village. This is for entire Gujarat. And what they have decided, Vishwa Umya Foundation has decided, if the help and support needed in out of Gujarat, they are prepared to send it in many other states in India. So every time, every single consignment, when it's reached to that, the destination, before destination is get the custom clearance in Bombay, and they have to verify it. In order to do that, we have to send all paperwork for each consignment, each unit, and their description. The custom officer do verified. We have to provide that both NGOs paperwork in order to save their GSTs and all other charges in India. And once they verified, then one of that volunteers, they have organized over their transportation trucking company. So every time they do the tracking their product, they prepare the trucks ready. As soon as this arrive, they take into that Ahmedabad or any other city wherever they have allocated. 2 consignments already went to that Baroda and Surat. And as needed, they're getting pre-calls in India before the consignment arrive, and they prepare for all allocation in India as needed.